let's try it again. Because, all right, so oil change day, and I'm messing with this camera, and I'm getting ready to go, and I'm probably going to reshoot Devil's Den today. So, oil change, Walmart special. Oh yeah, one way to go. Yeah, here's some shit for that. Tough Guard 7317. At least I didn't go with the absolute cheapest. Shit. There's some redneck shit here. Yeah. I'm still in my pajamas. I don't know if you see that. But, okay, there we go. Alright. 6mm. Right here. So, it helps if I go the right way. Wait a minute, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, man, that should only be 15 foot-pounds. I was thinking it was such a dick. I don't like you. Alright, I'll let that drain and go get a new, clean the plug up and get a new washer up here. So, yeah. New washer, ready to go? Still draining oil. I think it takes longer waiting for it to drain than anything. So, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing undone. Get the oil filler loosened up. Make sure you get a little lube going on. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Okay, I'm back. Fortunately, I gotta put those videos together now, but looks like everything's stopped already. I could have some coffee. Cheers. Alright, so I wasted that other video because I didn't hit stop instead of pause, so it's just a trip. You know what else goes trip, 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 trip? Coffee. Alright, let's get that up in there and stop the drippy drips from going. Yeah. So, while I'm setting up the torque wrench for 15 foot-pounds, I'm going to take this off the rest of the way, and we're gonna let that do its thing. So, and then when I come back, I'll torque it, I'll clean this up, and I'll torque that, I'll clean this up, and call this thing won't fill it up. Yeah. So instructions say to exercise the torque wrench. Fuck me, everything's fucking breaking. Yeah. Okay, so set it to 17 pounds. If 15, well, maybe 16, 17. There we go. It seems like every time I have the camera on, something terrible happens. What is with this kid? A little spinny poo action going on there. Yeah. Oh, man. Get on it. Oh, I think I already over-tightened it. So, Donkey Kong shit on that thing. Crazy. Another sip of coffee. A lot of coffee. Make sure you remove the oil pan from underneath the bike. Otherwise, when you go to take it off the blocks, it'll shove the oil filler through.
Right? Is it always stick?
4.5 quarts goes in there. Freaking stick is stuck. I gotta go get that off. The phone that's pissing me off. It's not the oil change. It sucks. Put it all together because now I'm up to like 18 videos. So, the oil change is freaking super simple, and it's quick and not very stressful until you introduce technology, and then it just pisses you off. Anyway, yes, I'm filling it up. It is on its kickstand. I will check the oil when I get close to 4.5 quarts. And I don't know, 9 times out of 10, this thing takes almost a whole 5 quarts. The hell's wrong with it? Now, let's see. We're gonna check it on this. I gotta turn it off again so I can check. Oh my god. That's always about 4.5 quarts. So in between the shots, I am checking the oil while it's straight up and down. I just bike should be off the kickstand. Alright, so 5 quarts put me right in the middle of that thing. Maybe just a little over the halfway mark in between low and full. Perfect, so that seems to always work out right. Alright, I'm tired of this shit. I'm sweating. I'm going for a ride.